Losing weight can be a challenge for many people, particularly if the obesity is caused by other medical conditions. The body's ability to burn fat as one of the fundamental steps in losing weight and keeping it off in conjunction with proper diet and exercise, increasing metabolic efficiency. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new in here, my name is Shugata. Today I am going to share with you 3 summer green tea recipes. First one is lemon green tea. Green tea and lemons are both high in antioxidant components that helps protect against inflammation and cell damage due to oxidation. Take some water into a pan and bring to a boil. Then put 1 green tea bag in the pot and boil for about 5 minutes. Cover it with a lid. After 5 minutes, remove the lid and let it cool. Green tea with lemon can be a great addition to a healthy weight loss diet. In fact, multiple studies have suggested that green tea can support weight loss and boost fat burning. Now cut the lemon into pieces. Green tea helps to promote weight loss in several ways. Lower the amount of carbohydrates, in particular starch. Cut some lemon leaves. Instead of lemon leaves, you can use mint leaves also. Take a glass, pour some ice cubes, put some lemon pieces and lemon leaves. This drink is rich in antioxidant, promotes weight loss, protect against diabetes, may enhance heart health, support brain health, may boost immunity, increase energy levels, may help prevent kidney stones. Now add green tea into it. Lemons are high in vitamin C, which can reduce inflammation and help treat and prevent infections. Certain compounds in green tea, such as EGCG, may improve immune function as well. Decorate it with a lemon piece and leaf. Your healthy, refreshing, flavorful lemon green tea is ready to drink. Second one is mango green tea. Mango is high in nutrient, particularly vitamin C. There are a number of important health benefits of mango tea that include preventing symptoms of hypertension, managing diabetes, improving immune function, boosting heart health, improving digestion. Vitamin C and vitamin A function as antioxidants in the tea, along with other phytonutrients and phenolic components, which can reduce the strain on the immune system and prevent a number of infections and pathogens. Vitamin C also helps to rebuild damaged blood vessels. First, cut the mangoes into pieces. To make mango tea, take some water into a pan and bring to a boil. Then put 1 green tea bag in the pot and boil it for about 5 minutes. Leave it with a lid. Remove after 5 minutes and let it cool. Take a glass, add some ice cubes and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of mango cubes. Studies have indicated that the regular use of mango tea is an excellent way to stimulate normal digestion and regular bowel movement, thus lowering your risk of constipation and other gastrointestinal issues. Take a glass, add some ice cubes, then take 2 to 3 tablespoons of mango cubes into it. Now add green tea and decorate with a mango piece. Now refreshing mango green tea is ready. And the third one is sweet lime green tea. Take some water into a pan and bring to a boil. Then put one green tea bag in the pot and boil for about 5 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of fennel seed into it. Dried fennel seeds are a storehouse of various nutrients which low calories and high in different micro and micronutrients. Fennel seeds are mainly rich in vitamin C, E, vitamin K, minerals, calcium, magnesium, zinc, potassium and iron, antioxidants such as polyphenol. Cover it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the lid and let it cool. Strain it with a strainer into a glass. Fennel seeds improves digestive health, regulate blood pressure, reduce asthma and improve skin appearance. Now take a glass, put some ice cube into it, add some lemon pieces, now add green tea into it. Sweet lime green tea is ready. Now decorate it with a sweet lime piece. Vitamin C enriched green tea is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below, and if you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and please subscribe my channel. I am back in schedule. For your convenience, I have listed all the product information in the description box below. Also find my social media link there. It will be nice if you follow me there so we can chat a little bit more. I love you so much. I will see you soon with a brand new video. Thank you for watching.